Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel here at 88 Rotors Off-Road. We have a Tundra compilation today, starting off with this silver 3rd gen that we're installing an old Man Emu MT64 3-inch suspension lift on. We're slapping on some RRW RR7H hybrid wheels in a 17 by 8.5 size with the 0 offset in matte black that we're wrapping in a 35 12.5 17 BF Goodrich all-terrain KL2 tire. Our shop 88 Rotors is located in sunny Southern California in Baldwin Park. If you're looking to get some work done by us, reach out to us anytime by phone, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. And if you're not local to us and still want to take advantage of our deals, we have 2 warehouses fully stocked with parts on the block. Check us out at 88rotorsoffroad.com for your suspension and off-road and overlanding needs. The MT64 gives the Tundra about 3 inches of lift up front and 2 inches in the back. This is the stance when completed. We have these kits in stock and ready to rock. The MT64 setup is great, but if you want to save a little bit of money and go a step down from that, we'd highly recommend the Bilstein 6112 and 5100 or 6100 rear shock setup. This right here is the 6112 up front with the 5100 rear shocks, rear lift springs, and Elevate chromoly ball joint upper control arms. We'll drop the links to all these products down in the description, so if you're interested in taking a look at all the components that they do come with, click down below. Coming in for a closer look, you can see that we've installed a set of Old Man Emu lift springs. This gives the vehicle about 1.5 inches of lift in the rear. We've paired it up with a set of Bilstein 5100 shocks in the back. Since we're running upper control arms on this setup, we've adjusted the fronts to about 3 inches of lift with a shim. On the other rack, we're installing a Westcott Designs Preload collar lift setup on this white colored Tundra. Back over to the white Tundra on the Westcott lift setup, we just installed a set of matte black face, gloss black simulated beadlock ring, RRW RR7V wheels in a 17 by 8.5 size with a 0 offset. We wrapped it up in a 35 12.5 17 Toyo Open Country RT Pros. If you want a set of RRW wheels for your vehicle, make sure to check us out at 88rotorsoffroad.com. The RR7V wheel is exclusive to only us at 88 Rotors. To get $100 off a set of 4 wheels, make sure to use promo code YouTube at checkout. That's YOUTUBE. And here's a Lunar Rock in for a Westcott preload collar lift setup. Going with the same wheels and tires here, RR7V, matte black face, gloss black simulated beadlock ring with the 35 12.5 17 Toyo Open Country RT Pros. Next up, we have another Gen 3 Tundra that's in for a Fox 2.5 Performance Elite DSC setup. This one's being paired up with some Dobinson rear lift springs and a set of Icon Vehicle Dynamics Tubular Delta Joint Pro upper control arms. Wheel of choice here are the RRW RR7S. These are a 17 by 8.5 size with a positive 25 offset that we're wrapping in a 35, 12.5, 17 tire. Next one here is a double cab 3rd gen Tundra that's in for a Westcott Preload collar lift setup. And another one, this one's on a Westcott lift setup with double black MR305s and some 35 12.5 17 Toyota Open Country RT Pros. We have this 2nd gen Tundra in for a body mount chop here and some more goodies. This white Gen 3 is going with a Westcott lift. This 2nd gen in magnetic gray metallic is going with a King suspension setup. King 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers and shocks with compression adjusters. Here are some feel vectors that are going onto the white 3rd gen. It's so easy to fit 35s on a 22 and newer Tundra, but on the 07 to 21, this BMC is required. This one on the Westcott setup is now complete. 35s and feel vectors. Rolling it out now for a quick test drive. And here's the completed body mount chop on the 2nd gen. SCS wheels are going on here. And here are the King with camber tubular uniball upper control arms installed with a rear lift shackle. And that's pretty much going to be it for today's video, folks. Thank you very much for tuning in, and we greatly appreciate it. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get alerted the next time we post another video. Until then, take care, guys.